If you look online right now, the data science field looks like absolute chaos. Every week brings a new AI tool you supposedly must master, or a new framework making yesterday's skills obsolete. But when you look at what companies actually hire for in 2026, the reality is much steadier. Here is the shift that matters. AI now handles the boilerplate syntax. It can write the code. Because of that, your role has transitioned from a code writer to a code reviewer. Your job is to verify the logic and make sure the generated code actually solves the business problem. To prepare you for that role, we are going to build a precise, step-by-step 6-month learning plan right now. Open up a blank calendar, a Notion board, or a simple spreadsheet. This timeline replaces the noise of the hype cycle with a sequence of specific, manageable milestones. By mapping this out now, you're turning an overwhelming career transition into a predictable daily schedule. Allocate your first 2 months entirely to mastering Excel and SQL. These tools are the foundation of data literacy. While AI can instantly generate a SQL query, it has zero business context. It doesn't know if the data actually answers your company's specific question. Avoid the urge to skip ahead to flashy AI agents. If you don't master how data is joined and filtered manually, you won't be able to spot when an AI-generated script misses a critical segment of your users. Your success metric for the end of month 2 is simple. Take a public dataset and use only SQL to accurately answer 10 specific business questions. Mastering these basics builds the pattern recognition you'll need later to supervise AI. When you understand how data moves through a table, you can spot those moments where an automated query technically works, but provides an answer that is logically impossible. Block off months 3 and 4 for Python, Pandas, and data cleaning. Here, you transform into a true code reviewer. By learning the deep architecture of data structures, you can spot the subtle logic errors AI frequently makes when merging data. There is a strict rule for using AI assistance during this phase. Let it explain error messages like a tutor, but never blindly copy and paste its generated code into your project. You must understand every single step you execute. For your month 4 milestone, take a raw, messy dataset, clean it thoroughly, and generate foundational exploratory visualizations. Technical execution today is about logical verification and structural understanding, rather than rote memorization of code syntax. For month 5, we move to your competitive advantage. Dedicate this block to data visualization tools and the mechanics of data storytelling. Technical skills are being heavily commoditized by AI. What AI cannot do is understand your company's specific context and translate data into an actionable narrative for non-technical stakeholders. That ability is rare and highly valued. Look at these 2 presentation styles. On the left, we have a dense, jargon-filled slide showing model accuracy metrics. On the right, a clean, action-oriented slide showing exactly why customers are leaving. The right side is what actually gets budget approved. Your goal for month 5 is to build a specific business dashboard and successfully present its insights to a non-technical peer. If they know exactly what action to take next, you have succeeded. Effective communication is the essential bridge that turns a raw analytical model into actual, tangible business value for your organization. Finally, we reach month 6. This is where you focus on integrating advanced AI tools, like connecting to API services and building retrieval-augmented generation systems into your workflow. The philosophy here is critical. You are using AI to amplify and accelerate a workflow you already know how to verify manually. You are not substituting it for foundational knowledge. Assemble a strict, hire-ready portfolio using a 3-project blueprint. First, clean, messy real-world data. Second, visualize and analysis. Third, resolve a business problem end-to-end. This highly targeted 3-part portfolio proves you can handle the entire lifecycle of modern data science. It elevates you far above applicants who just submit generic, AI-generated notebooks. You now have a tangible, fully completed roadmap for the next half year, along with the exact blueprint for your portfolio. Your path is clear of distractions. You know exactly what you must study today and exactly what your resume will demonstrate when you are finished. Ignore the noise of the dozen new tools launching this week. Boot up your first raw dataset and execute month 1 today. Structural discipline and sharp business logic are what secure a data science career in 2026. Put in the work and the results will follow.